All right, so you guys had this guided practice. Here are the answers. It only records what I'm doing here. All right, so I've got, this should be the overlapping part on the first one. This should be the overlapping part on the second one. Here's our third one, and our last one. This right here is your homework for, let's see, what's today, Friday? So this is homework for Tuesday. All right, now, what I'd like to do in the end is, the request was, can you show us, Mrs. Hersey, how to graph these on our graphing calculators, okay? So, if you have your graphing calculator, make sure that you go here. Make sure that if you have one of the school's ones, that all the plots are not dark. They have to be clear and open. If they are dark, you go up there, you hit enter, and go back down. I just turned mine on, so I will go proceed to turn it off. Okay? All right. And make sure we don't have anything in there. We are going to graph, let's graph this one right here. Okay? So, the first thing that I want to type in is I'm just going to go ahead and type these two in, y1 and y2. So we're going to type in 3x and negative 2x plus 1. Now, it'll be important that you know how to do these by hand, but this is a great way to check to see if you did it correctly. All right. Now, let's go back up to the first one. We're going to go to the left here. You have to arrow to the left. And now do you see how that's blinking out there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push enter. Okay, let me zoom in here. There we go. Now, what we have, yes, my color happens to be magenta. Well, what we want to do is, I'm fine with that color, but I want to go down to this part where it says line. And I'm going to arrow to the right, and do you see how there's a triangle above? This means I'm going to shade above the line. And for this one, for y equals 3x, do I want to shade above? No, I want to shade below. So you just arrow to the right again, and now I get the below. So I go down, I hit OK, and I hit enter. Now, I go to the next one, oops, and I don't really want red, I want something, I want,
Why do you hit magenta?
You gotta do magenta.
well,
You gotta do a full.
no, I want a different color. I want like green. That's a good one. Okay.
Brown.
Then I'm going to shade above on this one. I'm going to shade above because y is greater. Go down, I click OK. And then I'm going to, remember, I always do zoom standard. So zoom, number 6 is standard. And here's my first graph. Super cool. That's my magenta shading.
Look at that.
And there's my second graph. So now you can check to see if you actually shaded it correctly. All right? Okay. And that is it.